Data centers and hospitals are good examples where lights out is not an option. Since decades, Woodward ensures reliable power for critical infrastructure and enables the availability of backup power quickly and safely to prevent potential damages. Introducing the DTSC-200A controller. Built on decades-long success of the DTSC-200 controller, the 200A takes the operator experience to a next level, thanks to the best-in-class liquid crystal display. What type of applications use such a controller? Any two independent power sources which supply a load, like switching from a utility grid to a generator, or switching from the utility grid to another utility grid. The controller monitors the preferred source, and if an outage is detected on the preferred source, the critical load is supplied by the backup source in a fast, secure, and reliable manner, no matter if the backup source is a utility or a generator. The controller covers different breaker operation types like open transition, delayed transition, and even the very fast close transition, which operates within 100 milliseconds, including breaker opening and closing time. The standard and complex ATS control just got better. Controlling expensive high current breakers or economic isolators and latching contactors, the DTSC-200A can do it all. Configure it by simply connecting a USB cable from a laptop with the free toolkit software. If you've already applied a DTSC-200, you can import your settings file to the latest DTSC-200A. If you're using it the first time, no worries. A user-friendly configuration tool and a QR code-based documentation server gets you up to speed in no time. The DTSC-200A, Woodward's advanced ATS control, comes with an amazing display, an affordable hardware with high-quality Woodward software, and it's available within a short lead time. Please contact Woodward for more details.